I got the Rebel V2 coming back out. This is on a 5S 2700 again. Got a really sharp turn on the nose gear with no input. It really dives off to the right. Got to give it left rudder constantly to compensate for it. I'll have to look at that between now and the next flight. Alright, one tack flaps on it. And again, 5S China Hobby battery. Full throttle. I gave no back pressure at all. She just lifts up on her own. Sorry, I know it's overhead, but flaps are up, gears are up. Come in a little closer now. We're in high rates on the rudder in the elevator, low rates on the aileron. This is a fantastic flying little EDF. A couple things I would like to see in a version 3 would be shock absorbing retracts would be nice. That's always a good feature on any plane. Well worth the extra 20 to 30 buck increase in price too. Some lights would be nice on this as well. Wind's picked up quite a bit since I got here. We're probably up to good 11-12 mile an hour gusts. I don't got my anemometer out, but just from looking at the flags and feeling it in my face, I'm sure it is gusts up that high anyway. Let's try a high-speed pass here in front of us before our timer runs out. Down low. Going vertical. And let her fall on her own. There's our timer. Been having a problem with the nose gear on this deploying. It's usually on the first power cycle of the day. I'll have to do it 2 or 3 times. Maybe give it a little wiggle. There may be a short inside of it or something. Wind's pushing me around a little bit, but that's okay. Go around. Not liking that approach. That is one of the things that, being the hard head that I am, took me a long time to learn. First started flying, I'd always feel like I'm committed on the first approach. It took me a long time to recognize that, hey, as long as you got the battery, take another pass around till you like it. Better to, even if you don't have enough battery, it's better, in my opinion, to cheese out a $40 battery than it is messing up a $150 airplane. Alright, let's look at that front wheel. That was a no flap landing too, by the way. This in here, I actually like landing it without flaps. Well, that gear has a slight angle to it. There's full left, and there's full right. It's definitely going further to the right. It's got a little bit of a right-hand angle when you let go of it. So I guess I'll have to take a look at that and see if I can tweak it. Alright, Rebel V2 on a 5S battery. Definitely the sweet spot on it. Thanks for watching.